Right guys, so ito yung pinupuntahan ng mga tao guys sa Mykonos guys, itong Little Venice. So this is like a restaurant facing po doon sa windmill, and then also a lot of tourists came to eat here guys because it has a very nice view of the sea in front. Look at that guys, and maya-maya guys ipapakita ko sa inyo yung tinatawag natin na Little Venice. So ayan guys, pupunta kayo dito, dadaan lang kayo dito sa loob, and maya guys bago tayo makarating ng windmill, makikita na natin yung Little Venice. Alright, so ayan guys, there's a little passage here na ang daming mga turista talagang dumadaan guys, and look at that. So makikita mo yung windmill doon sa unahan guys. And this is what we call the Little Venice. Look at that guys. Alright. So ayan. Dami talagang turista guys. Okay. Pwede din kayo maligo dyan guys. Careful lang tayo. Baka mahulog tayo guys ha. Alright guys. Thank you. That's Little Venice. Alright. Welcome to Mykonos. Woohoo! Okay guys, so ito yung gusto ko dito sa Mykonos kasi guys, you get lost, no? Ang dami mga alleyways. Look at that guys, no? Ang dami talagang mga alleyways, mawawala kayo, daming makainan. Then there's also a lot of stores everywhere you go guys. There's always food, there's always restaurant, there's always dressed like this. And look at the how they color the cobblestone guys, no? Grabe guys, and always white, and then either red but mostly blue guys yung mga colors. It's just like a very beautiful combination kasi it reflects the sky as well. And ganda talaga dito guys sa Mykonos, and look at that, daming restaurants. We had a very nice Mediterranean food located on this side. So ayan, dami mo talaga makikita dito. Alright, so ayan guys, punta kayo dito sa Mykonos guys. Napakaganda talaga ng lugar na to guys. It's one of those must visit when you are here in the Mediterranean. Alright, see you next time. Efaristo, thank you for watching. Efaristo Parakalong. Bye bye.